Hi Lancer fans, Colt fanboy. I've just been looking around an industrial estate for a paint place and I've stumbled upon this Mazda RX-7 randomly parked right in the middle of this area. I think it might have been towed here and just left. It's got a little bit of grass under the front there. It's a 1986 UK car, right hand drive. It's got a fair bit of mould and whatnot growing over it. Tyres are old. That has been towed recently because you can see where, sorry, I'll get my shadow out, you can see where it's parked. Looks to be in fairly good order on the outside, not too much rot, a little bit on the sill there. Sunroof model, plenty of mould on the bumper, on the spoiler. Interior looks very nice, very good. Interior is manual. Can't see the mileage. We'll go around the other side and have a look. 4-seater, or 2+2 I think these were called, weren't they? There's the best I can do for an interior shot for you. Mileage 97,903, so 97,000 miles. So that's not a bad find. A bit random, but nice to see it, and I hope it gets back on the road soon. Lovely things these were. They really sounded nice as well when they were on full chat. Rotary engined, absolutely lovely little 2+2 coupe there. Well, if you like this video, give us a like, give us a thumbs up. If you've got any experience of these RX-7s, let me know. Put it in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next one.